Ooh, righty guys, let's go this way. Hey, my man putting a. Oh, it's that Wrangler, guys. That's the one that had that bottom end noise, knocking, 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 knocking. Why I do not know, guys, but he got it out. Finally got it out. Okay, they're not that bad, guys. Typical engine, unbolted from the transmission, but he got stuff everywhere over here. So it takes a semi-huge memory to. Engines are like a puzzle, guys. I mean, if you think about how everything works, everything will fall back into place, right? Yeah. So, what did we Did we have to transfer anything? Yeah, it came with a. It even came with a timing cup. All right. So this is what we call a loan block, guys. When you get a block with both heads on it. Wow. I don't know what that's all about, but yeah, this is a loan block, complete loan block. Okay, so I'm sure when he not going, probably should have some rags in there because you don't want nothing to fall into this galley. All right, if you're gonna chain up, I don't know how. Oh no, don't do it right here. Oh, I gotta tell him. No, 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 no. And this is a young guy. I'm glad I saw this. Oh my goodness, could you imagine? No, guys, grab an engine somewhere on the outskirt. Never. These are in. No. All right. I hope I get here before he do, because if he pick this up and this snap, this remember guys, it's aluminum cylinder head. So if it snap, who knows the date or trouble getting it out. So yes, all right, I have to let him know. I'm glad I saw this. So, but other than that, this is a young cat. Other than that, he's doing pretty good. Got it out. Okay. Just the small little mechanical things you need to be aware of when you're doing such a huge job like this. Secondary ignition, all this stuff gonna fall back into place. The upper plenum intake manifold, the lower intake manifold. So all this stuff will. What happened to the special tube? I don't see no guts in here. Who make this? Easy Red. Ain't these lifetime warranty, guys? Who out there? Wow. Yeah, this is I want to say these, but who do you take them to when they break? I think they lifetime warranty. Anyway, that one is shot. So I don't know, guys. Really have it running tomorrow? I don't know. I hope I get here early enough. Maybe the other mechanic will see this and this is bothering me. I think I'm gonna lose sleep, guys. Y'all know how hard it is to get these out on the car. So if you're gonna do one, this is the best time to do it now. Okay, these are a pain to get out on the car, but I need to leave a note. I ain't gonna be able to sleep tonight because I think he get here at 7 in the morning. I stroll in, I don't know, 9, 10 sometime. So I hate to come in and then see him over here with a drill trying to get a boat out, and then I'm gonna blame myself because I neglected to properly remind him. Not so much remind him, but advise him. This is the worst place you can pick up an engine. A long block, guys. This is heavy. I'm gonna use my thumbnail. I'm gonna use Scotty thumbnail. His don't thumbnail. So don't do this. No. Oh. All right. I ain't gonna be able to sleep. I gotta find some paper. I'm just gonna set a piece of paper right here that says don't, or don't jack it up from here. Like I said, I'm thinking a mechanic, a tech, a line tech could see that and also advise them. But other than that, guys, freeze plug. Yes, he get a complete loan block. So this thing, I wish I could see under there, see what was causing that noise. I might can grab a rod and click, 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 click. Cause yeah, it was chewed up. It sounded bad. Spark plugs missing. So yeah, I don't think he gonna reuse. In fact, yep, he got new plugs right here. New plug wires, so they going in with all new secondary ignition. All this stuff is just a memory thing. Fairly decent Wrangler, guys. It's nice. I understand why they was keeping it. Okay, whether it's warranty or CP. Yes, I would hang on to it too. And these 3.8 V6 or 3.3, they some workhorses, guys. Yeah, the only reason they not in today's models is because of emissions, guys. So other than that, back during this time, yes, these were some workhorses. Yes, they did their due diligence. They had numbers not as good as the 3.6 Pentastar as far as torque and all that stuff, horsepower, but they was impressive and they did its time very well. All right, so let's stroll this way. See, I see another Wrangler over here. Wonder what this all about. What is my man doing over here? Hey, it's got a oh, it's a 2-liter. Ooh, I have yet to fool with do much work on these guys. So, and I've been to training and school, so it all come to me when it's time for me to work on it. Guys, like I say, you can get crammed knowledge all day long in school until you're blue in the face. It's not going to really kick in until it's time to lay hands on one. All right, from the looks of this, I'm assuming he's chasing coolant leaks. All right, yeah, see, I don't even have that adapter, so I'm going to have to get the adapters to the newer stuff. But I'm assuming he's chasing coolant leaks, so that shouldn't be hard. I don't know. Well, yeah, he's chasing coolant leaks for sure. All right, turbo, yeah, I took a course on this last year. Can't say that any of it stuck because, like I say, I have yet to lay hands on one. And from a technical standpoint, I can speak on it. Maybe if I remember, a lot of it. When we leave school, guys, they leave us with a reference book. So everything we jotted down, we can refer back to our reference. Yeah, so, all right, guys, so that's that. Let's go this way. Not much going on in the shop, guys. Every now and then I try to get y'all one of these typical days in the shop. I got to refrain from displaying the actual car, people's cars. You never know how somebody may react if they see their car on the internet. Okay, so just showing you the motor or the engine is totally different. I don't know what's going on over here. Oh, he had the head off. I don't know if he put a head on it. Ooh, that is nasty. All right, later, man. Ooh, we need to flush that out. Yeah, that's a little. So I'm gonna wrap this up and grab a rag, go wash up, and it's quitting time, guys. Yes, quitting times. Bleeding the cooling system. Remember, guys, this car don't have a bleeder. See, he got it. No, he don't. This don't have a bleeder screw per se. I typically go with the sensor right here. I just unscrew that and use this. I always do double duty, guys. I want no air pockets. Okay, it's so easy to grab this and find an opening through the. Watch this video right here that I did on this car. I cleaned the heater core. I reverse flushed the heater core. Okay, they had a problem with their heat. Real easy to do because the heater hoses are accessible. They're right there. A lot of cars you can't get to them. All right, so yeah, not much going on today, guys. So that's all I have. I appreciate you guys watching these videos, man. That's all I have on this one. So y'all stay tuned for the next one. All right, thanks for watching.